Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing video, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So this is a birthday model haul. I got all these models for my birthday, and I also got this new Rode mic set up for my birthday. So let's go ahead and get started here. Got three models, three really good models, all came out last year. But three really good looking models. But let's go ahead and get started with the Southwest. So there at the top of the box, Gemini Jets, made for collectors by collectors, your Southwest airplane. Southwest airplane, Southwest Boeing 737-700. So let's go ahead and crack this thing wide open. Oh yeah, the box. There's your box. It's just a simple Southwest box. Let's go ahead and get this open. So it is a really good looking model. I like it. It looks really good, and it's gonna look very nice in the airport. Southwest. Now I have 4 Southwest planes, so that's pretty good. Alright, let's get into the next one. So next up is the Spirit A321 Neo. So there's your Spirit, there's the box, sorry about the glare. Airbus A320 Neo. Gemini Jets made for collectors by collectors. The sides, simple Gemini Jets box. Same thing as always, this time just Spirit. I believe they changed the Spirit boxes. This time you got a flap. Pause if you'd like to read, you know, simple stuff. So this is something that kinda makes me a little annoyed. It's just simple things that send me into highest orbit. You see the color on the box is different than the color of the plane. Like, why can't you just make them the same color? This is a more sunflower yellow, and this is a more neon color. But again, another airline heading to the airport. Should have another airport update out soon for you guys, so you guys can see all the new models, because it's like 14, 15 new models at this point. But let's crack open this one right here. This is Air Force 2. Also, Kamala Harris is playing right now. There is the 757 United States. Simple box. They call this a C-32A. It's just a 757 heavily modified to meet the Homeland Security, all the security requirements. There's the side of the box. Again, super simple Gemini Jets box. You've seen these a million times. There's the back of the box. Let's go ahead and crack this one open. Actually, this one's probably worth the pause to read. Yeah, it's interesting. Yeah, really, it's just the 757. Doesn't say anything about the C-32A or the Special Air Force 2. There's the plane. Plane looks really good. Really like this plane. It's gonna look nice next to Air Force One, and these three birds are gonna be very nice in the airport. I already have gates for Southwest and Spirit, but as you can see back there, a little bit of a teaser so what the next airport update's gonna look like. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.